What if I told you that for around $1,500 you could be installing retaining walls in a third of the time with a lot less manual labor? So what goes into a retaining wall install? So let's walk through it. For starters, we got to get our base material in. Second, we need to get our wall block set perfectly level for the base course. Then we're going to have to get our wall block hauled from the pallet to the infield to be able to lay our products. And most likely you're going to have to do some marking and cutting on that job. So I literally have been installing retaining walls for over 40 years, and looking back, it is an amazing task. I love the finished product. It's super rewarding. However, my body's not always saying that same thing. It is grueling work, and getting that product from pallet to pavement, it's backbreaking. I go to a chiropractor every week. I am now reaping the consequences of the poor choices that I made early on in my life. Most of you know I'm a tool guy, right? But I gotta ask you the question, what are you currently using? And if I had to guess, I'd say, okay, for starters, you're gonna use some kind of a landscape rake for getting your base prep. Then you're probably gonna use a 2x4 maybe for leveling things out and a level. You're probably gonna need gloves for hauling the block over. And then once you get things built up and start capping, you're gonna need a tape measure and some kind of mallet for leveling and straightening things out. It is a grueling process, and other than a few of these tools, it's a lot of physical labor. So for the past 40 years, I love getting in the shop, cutting, torching, welding tools. It was kind of my passion, and it didn't happen overnight. It was one tool at a time, one problem at a time, which leads up to today. What we have is 5 tools working together as a well-oiled machine. So let's face it, in this industry, our biggest struggle is getting help. And that's one thing we found with the tools and the process and the systems. It's easy to take an individual from off the street, very short time, have them trained, have them up to speed, installing the products very fast, very efficient, with very little labor involved in training. So these 5 tools, we call it the wall install system. The wall screed allows you to set a perfect base. This eliminates the need for leveling each and every block individually, giving you a perfect base each and every time. This speeds up the process on every single job, let alone what you can do over the course of years. The BL180 allows you to set your base course block easily and precisely by hand or with a machine. The BL450 allows you, with a machine, to be able to pick multiple retaining wall blocks from the pallet to the laying field with minimal effort, speeding up efficiencies and making installation easy. To cap it off, the parallel marking gauge allows you to be able to mark your caps perfectly and precise each and every time. My son Caleb invented this tool, and let me tell you, this is a time saver. We added the Sim80 to the wall install system. This is an industry trusted product with removable and replaceable heads. We're still using the same mallets that we've purchased probably 35 plus years ago on our job sites today. That's it. 5 tools, installing a third of the time, less labor, and better results. The wall install system is decades of blood, sweat, and tears. And I wished I'd had this early on, because I'd have had a lot more money in my back pocket due to chiropractic care. I'd have had a lot more profit in my wallet, and I'd also have a lot more time to spend with my family, wife, and kids. You can click on the link on the screen or the link down below. Go to our website, check it out there. Also check your local dealer. Appreciate you watching this week's Tip of the Week. Until next week, happy hardscaping. You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our Tip of the Week.